Want to make red effects like this on Alight Motion? Is that even possible? Of course that's possible. Come on, so you have to make this type of red effect on Alight Motion. First we need to insert our photo like this and go on add shapes. Select the rectangle, change its color into black, fill, red, go effects, add effects, insert simple star field, and go and select fly forward like this, yes. Insert position of X to 500, Y to 3003, Z is 0. Like this. To that, go on effects again, click on add effect, go and search linear streaks, go on standard settings, go on linear streak settings, and search streaks in 0.25 and angle in 60 degrees, like this. Your rain effect look like this. And after that, select the rectangle, and go on blending and opacity, go on contrast and overlay, and adjust the opacity you need for your video. I think I need like this, 34, and see the rain effect is completed.